to this car. So let's get it in the air and start working. See the part. Here's the part. Apart the interior a little. So let's go do that. I'm gonna grab a American combination ratchet. It is one of these. 9/16 in American. So this is loose now. So this can come off. I have a Hurst on it right now. The reason I'm changing it, I originally had the Barton, and I really liked how smooth it is, how smooth it was, and I want to go back to that. So we're putting a Barton back in. There we go. Get this off. Lift this up. And there, that's all you have to take out of the interior. Just the shift knob, that boot, and be all good. Taking it apart from the bottom. Okay, now that we have it up, I'm gonna get some gloves and let's go and check the shifter out. The shifter is all the way up right there. So we have two 10s. We have two 10s right there. And then we have a nut right there, and we have another nut right there. I don't think, oh, we might have one right there too. That nut right there. So those bolts and that mount. This bolt is out. Two nuts are out. Here's the old shifter. Here's the new shifter with the new bracket. Looks really nice. I like how I like the black. The black looks really nice. Going back up. this is for the leather. The leather will go in this little groove, so it just has a place to be, so it's not just dangling there. I'm gonna put a little Loctite on this because this is the shifter. It's gonna move around a lot, so don't want it to fall off while driving. This is on. It's all done. The shifter is installed. This is another video of how it drives. So, bye.